Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove silence on CapCut phone, so on iPhone or Android. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to open up your project, your video, which you want to go ahead and remove silence from. After that, you will see an option text at the bottom, so you want to click on it. And from here you will see auto captions. Click on those. Now you can generate your auto captions and you will see identify filler words. So you want to go ahead and toggle this on and then click generate. Now it will generate your auto captions and you will be able to either leave, and here it is. As you can see, there is filler word, pause, filler word, pause, and filler word, and you can go ahead and delete them. As you can see, it's for CapCut Pro only. And after that, once you will delete them, you can go ahead and use this video without the filler words. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.